Welcome to Bab's Vlog. That's the Decakila massage gun, all-in-one massage gun with 4-speed level. So guys, this is a multi-purpose massage gun which helps in relieving stress and fatigue. There are some user instructions and precautions. So without wasting much time, let's unbox and then find out how it looks. Your user manual. This is the massage gun itself. It is rechargeable. It comes with a battery capacity of 2000 milliamps per hour. Very compact and lightweight. It's equipped with USB Type-C charging port. In the box comes with a USB Type-C charging cable. So guys, this massage gun helps to recover muscles and fascia in gym. It also helps to relieve muscle fatigue after work. It helps to relieve physical pains of your body. It helps to relieve muscle atrophy and joints for the elderly. And also it comes with 4 interchangeable heads. So with this head, we have the flat head, we have the bullet head, the spinal head, and then the pneumatic head, as you can see. So you have a choice as to which head you prefer to use. Guys, thank you very much for watching my video. Kindly subscribe to my channel for more